Hello, it's me. It's 1 in the morning, and I need to be up at 6 to get cute by 8, pass out flyers before people get there. And I'm looking crusty. And I also need to practice my presentation, make sure it's actually an hour long, because I'm really nervous. It's gonna be like way too long. Your girl loves to yap. Also, a moment for the nails. They're glued to my skin and they hurt. The acne is so great. Oh my god, what are you doing over here? Wow, this one came out of nowhere today too. And there's one. Is that? Well, tomorrow's the day. It is Monday. I'm gonna give the most fucking wicked presentation of my life. Uh-oh. I hope that worked. Hello everyone. It's an honor to be in full fucking glam at 6 a.m. on a Monday. Good morning, party people. It's time to party.
I go deep, so deep till you sleep, count sheep, wake you up from all week. You don't want me at the show, yeah. How freak act when I ain't sober.
Look at that gorgeous speaker, sparkly boots, all the microphones and stuff. She's a celebrity.
Get ready with me. I'm a little hungover, but I've never announced before, so. Okay, preface. I know nothing about makeup, and everything I've learned is almost entirely against my will, so. And they were girl, sweaty girl. Oh, maybe I should have dried my hair first. Beautiful. Skipping Hamilton. Ooh, you're about to see the magic. Is there more of you? Yeah, we'll just have a little support feet. Dent. And then you let that fucking dry. In the meantime, jump scare. You just flip some stuff around. That was crazy. Fabulous. So I, just found out that blush is a thing that I'm allowed to use. This is the foundation for the house to be built. Do I look beautiful? This is too dark. This is the tightest faja any faja has ever faja'd in his life. It's crazy, you drink 17 vodkas and apparently it goes right to your stomach. And then, if you look really close, you can see every single one of my pores. Yeah, I look crazy. Also, tubing mascara, huge. I love it so much. She does not move. I look like a pretty girl. Ooh. And I bought the tester on accident. Looked clean enough. None of my business. This is a news. How do we get in? There we go. Now, swipe, swipe, dab. Question your choices, dab. Question your choices again. Dab, dab. I could do this. Swipe, swipe, dab, dab, dab. Fuck. That is my experience with blush so far. Swipe, dab, see? Life. Dab, dab, swipe. Don't get crazy. Oops, too low. Prayer. I'm a pretty girl. Oh, she's a pretty girl. Thank you for coming to Just Get Ready With Me. I'm Amber. Bye. Guys, big news. This is the closest I'm ever going to be to living out my Taylor Swift dreams. So, tune in. Inside scoop, what's going on?
Sure thing. So, Tim, will you do autographs? You're really famous.
Sure thing.
$100. Venmo to @amjamber. Thanks.
We're finding a way out. We can't hear the casters yet. In the meantime, does anyone have a favorite Excel function in the audience? Maybe right here. NPV. Ooh, niche. Bot text. I'm gonna Google that later. Fantastic. Imaginary sum. Fantastic. Yeah, I think he's messing with me. You're taking advantage of the weak here. How dare.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
All right, looks like we are back
Oh,
on.
we're back?
Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Go.
Back up to the caster booth one
Do
more
it.
time.
Show a bit about your background and your life and your experience. And my background is a Kiwi, a proud Kiwi.
The first time you tried
So we still got a competition going on here. So, okay. Yeah, right, that's right. There's only a point second, any more points will likely do that. But Hog.
There's a lot going on right now. Tell us all about it.
There's a lot going on. I was not expecting this. Entire world.
One of the challenges I think
My sausages.
this is that really big.
I have just murdered Amber.
He took advantage of the vulnerable. I was on the way to the bathroom.
Yeah.
Where the fuck did this
You were not in the bathroom. The rules are not in the bathroom.
Status update for the friends and fam. It is 2:30 in Vegas. I did my emceeing for the MECC finals tonight. We're done. Taylor Swift's son.
We have so many options. Trying to set a price, but man, sit there, it'll sit open until.
An accident when he crashes into a bike as he was making an unexpected.
Hello everyone. We're in Zion, Utah. A group of 30 of us from the Excel community have taken a little trip to hang out. The community is delicious. We love it. There's some people hiking right now. I could not be bothered. I'm doing my 2026 planning for the year. So I'm like super excited. It's like beautiful outside. I mean, this is not happening in Michigan, so.
Personal reenactment. Can you put it with the caption, who needs an active Celtic?
It's Layla Garani, what we're cheering for.
3, 2, 1, 2.
This is quite the picture.
You didn't know what that case was.
Standing up. Dragon fruit lettuce. Strawberry apple.
So essentially it's like this. So I get the ball in the hole. Yeah. Or you see those little white things. Yeah. So they're magnetic.
We want to see the video.
First murder of right the weekend. It was.
I was going to the bathroom. Oh my god.
Did you cut it outside?
You guys, we are short.